Hi friends, welcome to Navra Kitchen. We all love pizza. Today I am preparing pizza sauce. Try this pizza sauce and you will never buy from market again. This pizza sauce is very delicious and can be easily prepared with very few ingredients. Let's start the procedure. Take a vessel and add little oil. When oil is heated, add finely chopped garlic. I have taken about 7 garlic cloves and finely chopped them. Saute the garlic for few minutes. Next, add one chopped onion and saute for some time. When onions are cooked, add 4 to 5 dry red chillies. Next, add the chopped tomatoes. I have taken 4 tomatoes and chopped them. Cook the tomatoes for some time until they turn mushy. Next, add salt according to your taste. Next, add half teaspoon sugar and 1 teaspoon oregano. Oregano gives nice flavor to the sauce. After adding oregano, mix everything. Now add 1 to 2 tablespoon tomato sauce. Cook for some time, then switch off the stove and cool the mixture. After the mixture is cooled, transfer to the blender and blend to a paste. Our pizza sauce is ready. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.